This is an urgent warning for all crypto investors. The Bitcoin price is right now potentially on the brink of losing this support, which could lead to a trapdoor collapse deep down into the crypto abyss. And what's really interesting here, folks, is that the altcoin market may potentially be flashing the single most heinous warning sign that we have seen in years. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. All right, so here we are on the total 3 chart. This excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's looking at the total market cap for the rest of the altcoin market. Obviously, you can see here, folks, we had an upward sloping line of support that was broken several weeks ago at this point. And right now, obviously, to me, we have one last stand right around where we're at right now. I mean, it's thin, folks, but there is at least a little bit of historic price support in this range. You can see we had 1, 2, 3 wicks down to this range on the bull run up. Right? And right now we are clinging on by thread here. Just like Bitcoin has a trapdoor, I think right now we are potentially at the trapdoor range here for the altcoin market as well. And I mean, folks, to me, if we lose this level, right, you can see that there just isn't a whole heck of a lot in terms of support down until really, in my opinion, at about this 155 to 158 level, which if we take our price range tool from the current price point is about a -60 to a -77% drop from where we currently are right now at the time of recording. Let's get this crypto. So right now, this chart in particular is worrisome, but let's look at some individual names. To me here, Cardano has already lost its floor of support, right? The trapdoor opened. This is what I'm saying for Bitcoin, right? We lost the trapdoor. It's already dropped at its peak low here, -56% after purging through this line. Dogecoin here possibly now seeing its trapdoor open as well. I mean, there is a little bit of support built up here. This range is going to be interesting for Doge. Obviously, it's a meme coin. I do not take this seriously, so please take this with a grain of salt. But yes, very interesting for Doge losing this critical support. Chainlink here, there's not such a clear cut line, but it's more of a range right in between here. See all of these wicks and prior supports. To me, it looks like it's dropped below the trapdoor range as well. And I mean, folks, in my opinion, we really don't have much support until down here. Basically, I mean, let's just take a price range tool and drop it down into this range. Unfortunately, you know, maybe a -78% drop in that vicinity. Litecoin here as well, obviously dropped below its trapdoor range, right? Just take a look at that clear cut support drop below at the time of recording from dropping there. I mean, almost 50% to the downside. We'll have to see what happens here. Theta, right? This was a shining star of the crypto bull market in 2021, an absolutely huge rip. To me, it's dropped below its trapdoor range, and since breaking that line, it's already dropped about 50% or more. And I mean, where is all the support here, right? I mean, this thing has the potential to drop more, in my opinion. Solana, right? It dropped below its trapdoor range here. I mean, it's already continuing to plunge. And I mean, if this range over here doesn't hold, right, which is where it's trading at right now, for me, folks, the next real range is a full-blown bubble pop. I mean, down back into the single-digit dollar range. It's crazy. And now if we come back here to the total 3 chart again, I just wanted to make it known that many individual names have already lost their trapdoor support, in my opinion. But here on the overall, we're seeing that that still may not be the case yet for the majority of them. Okay, so in my opinion, we're seeing individual names already losing their floor, and the total altcoin market cap as a whole may potentially be gearing up here to lose the trapdoor as well. Let's get this crypto. Now, why is this important in my opinion, and what are we actually waiting for here? Well, let's go over to the Bitcoin chart. In my opinion here, Bitcoin has not yet lost its trapdoor of support, right? And as we should all know, if you are subscribed to this channel, so much of the price action that we see in the crypto market is driven by arbitrage bots, all right? It's not even humans. It's algorithms just trading based upon what Bitcoin is doing, and it drives the rest of the market, okay? Bitcoin, for the time being, is still holding up here at the trapdoor range. Now, if we see Bitcoin go, folks, to me, I think the altcoin market, it's going to look like the dump hasn't even started yet. And we're already seeing 80% drops on some names. To me right now, this could be the beginning. This could be the first inning of the ball game here, so to say, right? And if Bitcoin loses this trap door, well, folks, things could get very, very interesting. And I wanted to point the altcoins out first because the thing with crypto, all right, now we're going on a little side note here, again, just speaking my mind. I'm going to try and do more of this as I think this is the best type of content and value I can provide for you all, is giving you some of my abstract knowledge in this space as somebody that's been here for a long time. Let's just get into it. People, they give too much credit to these altcoin projects individually. Right? What does it do? What does their blockchain do? Is it going to revolutionize the world? Web3, Kirby. To me, folks, none of that matters. None of this technology is being used for real, okay? It's all being used as speculative trading vehicles, okay? That's really all it is. That's why you see these things go up immensely and then drop in certain cases 95 to 99% down. There's no real use case for the majority of this stuff, especially altcoins. Bitcoin, sure, there is at least some sort of use case there. It's being adopted somewhat. But these altcoins, you have to be kidding me. And the way that I view the altcoin market is that they're basically just leveraged derivatives of Bitcoin. Nothing more, nothing less. And the reason that I say it like that is because that's the way that the arbitrage bots see them. You understand? The arbitrage bots aren't sitting there trading them based upon the fundamentals. Oh, well, this one, Kirby, there's really good news coming. Did you see that partnership? This one, Kirby. No one cares, little Jimmy. You understand? No one cares. This space is all about making money. No one really cares what the technology does. Your average person doesn't even understand what any of them do. You get it? So the fact of the matter is here is that those generally dump first, okay, because they're more speculative than Bitcoin. So if we're already seeing all of those losing the trap door, this may be an absolute warning shot fired that Bitcoin is on the brink of doing just the same very, very soon here, right? As the higher risk, higher quote unquote leveraged derivative plays on the crypto market are dumping first, then follows the slower moving dinosaur of a coin, which is Bitcoin. Let's get this crypto. If you understand and you appreciate this analysis thus far, don't forget to hit the thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. And as I explained earlier, the majority of this market is tied to Bitcoin because of the arbitrage opportunities, right? Bots, they're just algorithms, folks. They're not real people, okay? So all of that's happening in the altcoin market. Meanwhile, really nothing has happened for Bitcoin over the last 2 weeks. So if we wind up seeing Bitcoin lose this trapdoor level and the arbitrage bots start to reflect that, wow, in my opinion, this space could be absolutely primed for a massive, massive capitulation. Let's get this crypto. Now, this is not fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is me, someone that's been in this space for cycle after cycle after cycle, someone that has truly been up the mountain, down the mountain, and everywhere in between. Folks, this to me is nothing new. This is expected. If you're new to this space and people say, well, prepare for a potential 95% drop in these altcoins, when everything's going up, you say, yeah, sure, 95%, I've got diamond hands. And then soon as it starts happening, oh, Kirby, do you think it's all over? Kirby, oh, they start crying, folks. Do you think that this phases me at all here? What's happening in Bitcoin and the altcoins? No. This is the exact same thing that's happened every time. It's just that this space attracts new investors every cycle, and it feels like the higher the price goes, the less experienced and less educated, financially educated participants are in this space, right? So right now, you have mass panic. And this is what you get in these market cycles. That's why I love to pull up the Wall Street cheat sheet, Psychology of a Market Cycle. Folks, just take a look at it. If you need to pause your screen and look at it, do that. For me right now, I think it's very possible that when you look at that chart that we are still in the complacency stage here, right? Let me pull it up again. Sure, it doesn't look exactly the same, but in its own way, I think with Bitcoin still above the trapdoor range, we could still be in the complacency range here. And that if that drops, then we could truly see the capitulation. And like I said, it's not just humans at that point. It's the bots that are going to start triggering, in my opinion, and could cause a cascading waterfall to the downside. All right. Again, it's not fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is just how it goes. Okay. It just is what it is. And if you appreciate me just keeping it real on this channel and telling it how it is, I really would appreciate a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for the thumbs up. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of these important uploads. So on that front, ladies and gentlemen, there's really not much more for me to say here. I just wanted to point out that we're already seeing the altcoins, some of them, drop below their trapdoor range. And this to me is a warning shot fired, because the fact of the matter is that they generally tend to run, rather front run Bitcoin, right? They pump harder and they dump harder. And right now we are seeing those coins dump below their final support, the trapdoor range. Is this a leading indicator that could possibly forecast Bitcoin's future, that it too is going to drop below its trapdoor of support? It's possible. I'm just putting it on your radar. I know many other channels will never talk about this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, right now, they're probably telling you that this dip is the best thing to ever happen for Bitcoin, right? It's all up from here, I say, all up from here. Absolute degenerates, ladies and gentlemen. This is where we keep the analysis real. We let the charts do the speaking. We don't get caught up in the Moonboy hopium garbaggio. We don't say that Bitcoin is banking the unbanked. It's going to become the world reserve currency. You'll see. Are we here to fantasize about some dystopian future, or are we here to try and make money in this absolutely volatile space? Let's get this crypto. That's why you come to this channel. That's why you thumbs up and hit the subscribe button with the bell ticked. Let's get this crypto. The Don is fired up. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do want to see all of my real-time entry ideas, strategy ideas, potential take profit ideas, everything just like that, as these moon boys get wrecked, well, you can get all of that from me exclusively in VIP. If you're not already in my VIP, what are you waiting for? Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe. Be happy. Be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Cryptocurrency is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Cryptocurrency is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Cryptocurrency may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Cryptocurrency accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Cryptocurrency recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.